Okay, so what if you could stop waiting for your AI coding assistant, and instead you could manage a whole team of them? Well, that's pretty much the promise of Google's new AI editor, Antigravity. Developers have been putting it through its paces, and wow, it is really looking like a genuine game changer for how we all code with AI.
And that is a direct quote from a developer who really stress-tested this thing. And man, does that just nail the feeling, right? It's like taking the familiar AI-assisted coding experience we all know and just cranking the dial all the way up.
So, supercharged sounds cool and all, but what does that actually mean for your day-to-day workflow? I mean, this isn't just about getting code a little bit faster. It's about fundamentally rethinking the entire development process. So, let's break it down.
To really get what makes Antigravity so different, we first have to look at the problem with most of the current AI coding tools out there. And it's a problem a lot of us know all too well, that constant cycle of stopping and waiting.
You know the drill. You get an idea, you write up a prompt, and then you just wait. You're kind of stuck, right? You can't really move on to the next thing until the AI finishes its task. It's this superlinear, one-track process that, let's be honest, creates a ton of idle time, where you're just staring at the screen.
And this comparison right here just lays it all out. The old way, over on the left, it's that strict sequential process. But the new way with Antigravity, it's all about working in parallel. You can give the AI multiple complex tasks and then just go work on something else while these agents do their thing in the background.
And this new, parallel approach is really the heart and soul of what Google is calling its new Agentic IDE, Antigravity. It is built from the ground up specifically to solve that stop-and-wait problem.
Now, the key thing to notice here is the change in wording. Antigravity isn't just an editor, it's an agentic development platform. And that's not just marketing speak. It means you're no longer just giving one-off commands. You're actually supervising a team of autonomous AI agents that can plan, execute, and even verify complex tasks all on their own.
So how in the world do you manage all these agents? Well, Antigravity uses this really clever dual interface system. On one hand, you've got the editor view, which looks and feels just like the VS Code or cursor environment you're probably already used to. Great for quick edits. But then you have the manager view, and that is your mission control, a dashboard for launching and overseeing multiple agents at once.
And yeah, it's that manager view that unlocks the truly revolutionary part of Antigravity, a completely asynchronous workflow. You could call it the fire and forget model.
Honestly, the absolute best way to wrap your head around the Agent Manager is to just picture your email inbox. Every new task you assign is like starting a brand new email thread with an AI agent. You write your request, you hit send, and then you're totally free to go start a whole other conversation.
And this process is so simple, but it is incredibly powerful. You can pick off a really complex task, say building out a whole new feature. Then you can immediately switch gears and start another one, like creating a logo or fixing a tough bug. The agents just work independently, and you get a little notification in your inbox when they're done. No more waiting around.
Okay, but hold on. How can you possibly trust these autonomous agents just running around in the background? I mean, you can't just let them run wild, right? Well, that's where this feature called Artifacts comes in. It is all about transparency.
So as an agent is working, it doesn't just produce a blob of code at the end. It produces all of these artifacts. Things like detailed plans, progress reports, even screenshots and recordings of itself testing the application in a browser. This gives you a crystal clear window into its thought process. You can review its plan and even leave comments in real time to guide it, all without ever stopping its workflow.
So that's the theory. But what can these agents actually do, like in the real world? Well, developers have been pushing Antigravity to its absolute limits, and the results are pretty incredible. I mean, the range here is just wild. It can handle simple UI updates, no problem, like redesigning a hero section based on a mockup it generates itself. It can create entire complex components from scratch, like a multi-chart financial dashboard. But the part that is really mind-blowing is its ability to implement full-stack features, like adding a whole text-to-speech service that requires changes everywhere: the UI, the backend, the database, even a blob store. It touches the whole stack.
And hey, remember those artifacts we talked about? One of the most powerful ones is that browser integration. An agent doesn't just write the code, it can literally open up a Chrome browser, navigate to your app, take screenshots, and verify that its changes actually work the way they're supposed to. It's debugging its own work. How crazy is that?
So what's under the hood powering all this magic? Well,
Antigravity gives you free access to not just Google's state-of-the-art Gemini 3 Pro, but also Anthropic's Claude 4.5 Sonnet. And with some pretty generous rate limits that refresh every 5 hours, this incredibly powerful tool is also surprisingly accessible.
All right, let's bring it all together. What does this new agentic, asynchronous workflow really truly mean for you as a developer? Because it represents a massive paradigm shift.
Think about it like this. Before, you were basically the AI's assistant, feeding it one task at a time, helping it along. With Antigravity, the roles are completely flipped. You become the manager. You orchestrate a whole team of autonomous AI agents all working in parallel. You're not the assistant anymore, you're the architect.
And this quote from another developer after using Antigravity to build a pretty complex feature, it just says it all. This new way of working is so different, it's so much more efficient, that it really does force you to rethink what's even possible.
And that, right there, is the big question Antigravity is forcing all of us to ask. It suggests a future where development isn't about working with a single linear assistant anymore, but about managing a dynamic, parallel team of AI agents. It's a pretty fascinating peek at where all of this is headed next.